there, it's Thursday, the 4th of August, 2011, and I'm the skipper, Mike Parks, of the sailing vessel GAEA, which is a Contessa 32, based out of Collins Bay Marina, Kingston. I just thought I'd give you a quick look at a Contessa under sail using the Hydrovane auxiliary steering system. I'm quickly going to turn the camera around and give you a bit of a panorama. We're sailing under Hydrovane now. It's hands-free for the skipper. We've got winds out of the northeast between 10 and 12 knots. Nice steady breeze, beautiful sunny day here in Kingston. And we're just on the west side of Wolf Island heading towards Amherst Island and our eventual destination of Collins Bay Marina. So here's a little bit of a look at what we're doing right now. Slowly take you a bit of a 360 here as we're sailing. Try to keep that horizon steady. And we'll make our way back to the old Hydrovane here on the transom. There's the vane sticking up, leading edge into the wind, and you can hear the gurgling water down below. And there she is. She's driving the good Contessa with that blade in the water there. And you can see I've got a bit of a tiller extension that I've built on the Hydrovane unit itself. And again, there's the weights counterbalancing and helping drive the vane and the vane itself. Good folks at Hydrovane there out in Vancouver. Up, look way up. Now my platform here is shifting, of course, with the swell and the wind. But that's a Hydrovane under operation, and it's pretty slick. I installed that myself following the Hydrovane instructions that came with the 5 separate boxes, and I've been very happy with it. We'll just get a little bit more panorama here as we pan around the cockpit. Try to keep that horizon level.